Hi guys, I'm Alex from the ACA Club, and so we're going to be doing a Rubik's Cube video. So with this, so we're just going to be teaching some patterns, and I can solve the cube, and so I will do it and solve it. And we've also got Casey and Ash from the club too. In here doing some other stuff. So we'll start off with, I think, Casey.
Okay, so I've got two things to show you today, guys. So first of all, this is a 2x2, exactly the same as a 3x3, but doesn't have centers, or you can't really do crisscross on it. So
You can.
I'm going to start with the green today. So this is one of my little tricks. And so first of all, you twist it like that, up forward, twist it to the side, 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 up forward, twist it up to the side, up forward, twist it to the side, up forward, twist it to the side, up forward. And you'll see that you've just solved it from the solving. And so now I will be doing centers and different center crisscross and also centers. So first of all, this is centers. So you twist. So I'm going to do with the blue. So twist it to the side, twist it to the side, turn it up, twist it to the side, twist it to the side. Go down like this, down like this. So then you can see that you've got this. It's really cool. And so now that's centers. Now I'm going to do different centered crisscross. So now you just go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go. So that's all today. Thank you. Now on to Ashley.
And so we're going to be doing Ashley now. She's going to do the crisscross, so she'll teach you how to do it. Okay, here she comes. Look at that.
So to make a crisscross, you would need, so if you want to follow me, you need a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so you make it so the blue and the green should mostly be together if you have this color cube. And then you flip the other side, so it should look like that, but that side and that shouldn't be there. And then you flip it so it's starting to look like a crisscross. And then you do it other way.
You have to go down one.
Other way,
So that looks like.
that is what the whole cube's going to look like, but in different colours. So then you're going to turn it this way, and you're going to put it like that. And then you're going to do it the same with the other side. Do it like that, and you have made your crisscross.
Okay now. So I'm going to be showing you how to solve this cube. One of my helpers is going to mess it up. Casey.
No.
Okay, one of you, so you do it on screen, and I'm not going to look.
So
I'm not going to look at this. So
okay,
Casey's going to do it, and she's not going to say anything about it. Okay,
so
she'll do it now.
I'm going to mess it up, and he's not going to look, so he can't know how to solve it.
Look.
And he's hiding behind the hula hoops over there. Can you hear him? Yeah, I can.
He.
My helper, could you please go and make sure that he's not looking?
Don't not look.
And now Ashley can mess it up.
It's pretty much messed up.
No, Ashley mess it up.
No, let me mess it up.
All right, now it's messed up. So here is the man to do it all.
Put it down there.
So as you can see, this cube is sort of is messed up, and I did not look. I do not know what's happening. So I will start. With
I don't even know what I did.
Okay, so we're just gonna do it in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oops.
You did that again. Okay, so yeah, and so if you see here, I'm solving that like that. And so that can go like that, and then you go like that, that. Okay. My best time for solving the cube is 51.2 seconds. No, yeah, 51.02 seconds. So with that, so you can do this like, I'm just solving it. So you have to solve first layer first, so you can get this cube solved. And yeah, so yeah. So we're almost finished the first, layer. I've finished the first layer now. Now I'm onto the middle layer. As you
Which
can
is
see,
blue.
No, that's not it. Which is yellow, which is in the middle layer, and so like it's multicolored. So you have to. Now I'm just trying to solve that. So see if you see here, I'm going like this.
That case me.
Shut up, guys. Guys, be quiet.
He's trying to master solve it all.
And I will solve it.
He's being annoying.
Okay, so we're on to the final layer. So we're almost finished I'm almost finished the final layer. So now we have to go here. We've got like, so we don't have many moves left. Okay, we're done. If you can see here, the cube
Has been
solved!
Of course.
Okay, so now guys, this is going to be the end of our video for this time. So if you would want to, if you can, leave a like and a comment in the description if you like the video or if you don't like it. If you like it, just tell us why, and if you don't, just tell us why. So just leave a like in the description. And for now, this is the ACA Club.
Of course.